Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see here, I'm on Google I/O's page, which is the Google I/O keynote that's going to take place in 2 hours and 15 minutes and 26 seconds counting. I'm doing this now because I can't stay up till 1 a.m. today because I have my math exam tomorrow, which hopefully I won't fail. So I'm going to be here talking about Google I/O before the actual release. So yeah, there are obviously a few things that people have already talked about. There is the more news on Android 13, obviously. This is Google I/O developers. There's also Pixel 6a that might be released, and watchOS updates, or they're called Wear OS, I think. Yeah, watchOS is for Apple. Yeah. So yeah. So we'll start off the day in, I think, US, if I'm in the US, but I'm not. So they will start off the day at 10 a.m. with a keynote, Google I/O keynote, which would probably do all the introductions, followed by the dev keynote for developers like me and myself for Flutter to learn more about how to work around Google's app APIs and stuff. So yeah, if you click on products, I think this would show what products they'll be covering later. Some of them, for example, Android 13 is here. Then it'll tell you the two speakers would be Nick Butcher and Florina Montanescu. I apologize if I pronounced that name wrongly. And this tells you the level of difficulty of the keynote that you're attending. So yeah, can look out to try to see more of this later during the event. It's going to be starting in 2 hours, so it shouldn't take that long. There's also more products. Chrome OS, I think they might release newer versions of it later, but this would take place tomorrow, not today. So yeah, Google I/O is taking place over 2 days. If I'm not wrong, it's March 11 and March 12. So yeah, over the span of 2 days, which is not that bad. Yeah, okay, now there's Adventure. It only goes live during the actual event, which is very sad because I won't be able to do it till tomorrow morning. And there's also the Learning Lab, which is also only going to start when the live event. So yeah, we can't really show much about that. And yes, this is the first time I'll be covering Google I/O. I haven't done Google I/O before. I watched it yet. I think I've only watched WWDC once. So yeah. Okay, so these are the overview events, what they're going to cover. Yep, there's Flutter, I guess. New ways to build their apps. This should be Firebase, yeah. Then this is for machine learning. So yeah, a lot of things will be coming out. There's new things in Google Play, Google Home. I'm very looking forward to Google Home because I currently have a lot of problems with my Google router. So yeah, I will visit more on this after my exam this Friday afternoon. So yeah, I'll be posting more updates or coming back to YouTube and be able to address more of the Google I/O. Yeah. So yeah, there will be a lot of things. I'm be mainly focusing on Android and Flutter and some of the gaming tools because this is what I usually do, and obviously open source community. Can't forget Linux. Not technically Linux, but open source community overall. So yeah, Android 13, I hope they have new cool features that I really look forward to as I'm an Android user myself. I really hope forward to see Android add actually useful features instead of features that are just there to be like, oh look, we have this, but iOS doesn't. That's like one of those very useless kind of features that ask for the fact that we have it and not for the fact that it's actually useful. Yeah. For example, I can't think of any features now that Google added that I don't really like, but there are some like the notification bar menu when it updated. It was absolutely horrible. I still do not like it for the Android 12 one. This is personal preference. I don't know about y'all. And I hope the Android 13 Easter egg would be fun. Okay, so yeah, that we'll just have to wait and see. Currently I have no choice. I'm stuck with a Huawei P30 Pro. If I didn't tell y'all, I think I did. I dropped my Xiaomi Mi 11 into my pool. So that's not gonna turn on in a long time. So yeah, we'll be talking more about this. Flutter, let's hope they come out with something good that is very helpful to not web development, I mean app development, like just application devs for Android, and see what new things we can come up with. Personally, I don't use Flutter, so I don't have really much judgments on this. But if y'all do, y'all can leave in the comments down below and I'll read through them. Okay, this is overview and what we can expect. So yeah, we can, these are the main points. I can read them out. You can connect with a community. I have no clue what this is. I haven't seen this yet actually. Oh yeah, you can just communicate with different people. I'm just gonna, oh, there's some Singapore ones. That's cool. Okay, I guess I will find a Google Dev group first. Oh, this is actually very interesting for Google developers. If any of you are Google developers, y'all can just come here, find a Google developer student club or a Google developer group to discuss. I've not used it before. There are some development communities for just these universities and polytechnics in Singapore. So if you all have some, I think there is some other countries you all might have your own. So yeah, look out for that as well. And obviously not to forget the IO puzzle. I have no clue what this is. I cannot figure this out at all. And I seriously don't see what is this. It equals 31 and 31 leads to this page. And literally no clue how to do this. Yeah, 99 for example. You click on 99. You will see literally no relevance. Still, oh, it's 57. Yep, 45. Then is it 70? Yeah. The pattern can be anything it likes. Wait, what? Yeah, it's Google. Okay, Google can come up with some funny stuff that I really can't see how this does anything actually. Okay. Yeah, very weird Google stuff. But yeah, y'all can explore and I guess try to solve this puzzle like thing. But yeah, that's just what you should expect for IO, which is gonna take place in literally 2 hours and a bit more. So yeah. It's very sad that I won't be able to see the first Google IO that I found out about cause I have things going on. So that's very sad. But yeah, there's a lot of new things. This is for AR core. If you know augmented reality, not argumented. I don't know. I can't say that. Augmented reality. You can see the new AR core development. I'm not really interested about AR, but if y'all are, y'all can come here. And there's also for Unity. If y'all know Unity is a game engine. Game engine. You have to create more games. Or you can. I don't understand why. Or am I blind? This is for the Android Studio, and this is Unreal Engine. So yeah, you can just click start and it'll go through instructions on how to do it on Unreal and how to add in the AR core. Okay, now back to the keynote. There's also Codelab teaching you how to write your first Flutter app, which I've never done before. So I will do this when I'm free the day after this, cause I still have to revise for geography. Yeah, and there's also write your Flutter app part 1. So yeah, each of this will take around 1 hour each, or half an hour in this case for this one. Teaching you how to use Flutter. I've never done this before. I'm looking forward to this tomorrow. There's also then there's Cloud Run, for example. I think this is a cloud platform, Google Cloud Platform, to deploy a container. Yeah, I might have to try this as well. I haven't tried any of this. I don't have time this 2 weeks. So yeah, afterwards I'll try this web.dev, which I didn't even know Google have. I'll leave these tabs open for myself and I'll come back and revisit them. I know today I'm talking more about software and backend side instead of hardware where they release the new watches, but yeah, today my main focus is on the more of the developer end instead of the front end, cause IO is a developer event. But yeah, I mean it's also a normal keynote here, as you can see. But yeah, there's a lot of things that y'all can be prepared for, and we can watch the trailer together, I guess. I've not watched this before actually. Okay, that's all. Okay, that was a very short trailer, but I mean, I guess it's really Google just wants us to wait and see what is gonna happen during the exam itself. So yeah, not exam, sorry, during the event itself. So yeah, I guess we can all look forward to Google I/O in 2 hours 5 minutes and 33 seconds counting. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video when I'm actually free to upload a full overview of Google I/O. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you all enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.